Hi, I'm Mike. Let's learn about crypto tokens. Imagine a giant video game called Block World. In this game, you can build anything. Castles, roller coasters, even pizza stands that shoot pepperoni. To buy all the cool building blocks, you need special coins called crypto tokens. These tokens are different from regular money because they're super secure. Think of it like this. Normally, you might keep your game money in a piggy bank. But what if your little brother borrows some and forgets to pay you back? With crypto tokens, they're all stored in a giant, super protected vault in the clouds. No one can take your tokens without a special key. Here's the coolest part. These tokens can be used for more than just buying blocks. Maybe you helped your friend build a giant robot and they want to thank you. They can send you some of their crypto tokens. Or, if you're super good at building racetracks, you could even charge other players tokens to race on your creations. Well, it's been great learning with you. See you at mykidscorporation.com, where the fun keeps going.